every single laptop in the world, whether it's a MacBook, a Dell, an HP, or a Lenovo, runs on a battery. But here, ask the shocking truth nobody ever talks about. Laptop brands do actually make their own batteries. The most important component in your entire computer is built by secret companies you've probably never even heard of. Today, we're pulling back the curtain to reveal the hidden makers behind laptop batteries. The real manufacturers powering your daily life. So why don't these huge laptop brands just build their own batteries? The simple answer is that building a battery is often much harder than building a laptop. It requires billion-dollar factories, advanced chemical engineering, complex safety certifications, and cutting-edge lithium-ion technology. It's a completely different industry. So, brands like Apple, HP, Dell, and Lenovo outsource this critical task to specialized manufacturers. These companies are the true hidden makers, the silent partners behind the tech giants. Let's start with a name you might actually recognize, but for different reasons. Panasonic. Panasonic is one of the world's most trusted battery makers, a true king in the premium laptop battery space. They've been a key supplier for high-end Dell laptops, professional-grade Lenovo ThinkPad, and even some older generations of Apple MacBooks. So why do top brands turn to Panasonic? It comes down to their reputation for extreme stability, long life cycles, and incredibly low failure rates. Their batteries use safe chemistry and maintain a reliable capacity over hundreds of charge cycles. Panasonic isn't just a hidden maker, they're one of the most respected names in the entire battery world. Next up, we have LG. If Panasonic is the premium king, LG Chem is the world's largest overall battery provider. You'll find their battery cells inside laptops from almost every major brand, including HP, Dell, Lenovo, Acer, Asus, and even high-performance MSI gaming laptops. LG Chem has built a massive global operation by mastering the balance between performance and cost. Their lithium-ion cells are known for delivering high performance, maintaining good thermals under load, and offering a balanced lifespan. The scale of their operation is staggering. LG Chem silently and reliably powers millions upon millions of new laptops every single year. Now, let's talk about raw power and performance. For that, we turn to Samsung. This division of Samsung builds some of the most advanced and high-performance lithium batteries on the planet. They are the go-to supplier for devices that demand a lot of power, like powerful gaming laptops, sleek ultrabooks, and durable business laptops. Depending on the year and model, you can even find Samsung SDI cells inside some MacBooks. What sets them apart? Samsung SDI focuses on pushing the limits of battery technology. They specialize in high energy density, which means more power in a smaller space. They also prioritize stable thermal behavior, long life, and fast charging capability. This brings us to the biggest myth of all, Apple. Most people assume that a company as controlling and vertically integrated as Apple must build its own MacBook batteries. But the reality is quite different. Apple, like everyone else, relies on hidden suppliers. The two main players behind MacBook, iPad, and iPhone batteries are ATL, which stands for Amperex Technology Limited, and Sunwoda Electronics. These massive Chinese companies are masters of high-volume, equality manufacturing. They also produce batteries for other huge brands like Xiaomi and Oppo. Apple dictates the design, the specs, and the strict safety requirements. But the actual manufacturing, the complex process of creating the battery itself, is done by these hidden makers. The list of these invisible giants doesn't stop there. Two of the fastest growing battery makers are BYD and COSMX. You might know BYD as one of the world's biggest electric vehicle companies, rivaling Tesla. But they also leverage that expertise to manufacture laptop batteries, especially for Chinese brands. Then there's COSMX, another major global supplier whose battery cells are used by brands like Acer, Asus, and Lenovo. Together, these two companies are shipping tens of millions of laptop battery cells every single year, quietly expanding their footprint in the tech world. So, let's recap. Who really makes the battery inside your laptop? It's not Apple, Dell, or HP. The real power comes from a handful of specialized global giants: Panasonic, LG Chem, Samsung, SDI ATL, Sunwoda, BYD, and COSMX. These are the companies that have mastered the complex chemistry and engineering required to create safe, reliable power. The laptop brands design and assemble the final device we use every day. But the heart of the machine, the battery that brings it to life, comes from the hidden makers. If you enjoyed discovering the secret companies behind your laptop battery, make sure to subscribe to Hidden Makers. Join us as we continue to expose the manufacturing secrets behind the technology you use every single day. Thanks for watching.